We're going to talk a little bit about laser hair removal today. Hi, I'm Dr. Shahin Nooreyezdan. I'm a senior consultant plastic and cosmetic surgeon here at Apollo Hospital at the Cosmetic Surgery Center. There's nothing like laser hair removal, it's laser hair reduction. You cannot remove hair permanently. The laser hair reduction will reduce your hair growth by close to 90-95%. And then you maybe once in a year or once in 1.5 years you need to come back for maintenance sittings. Essentially it's a laser machine which is used, and the laser beam is absorbed by the pigment, the black pigment of the hair, and it destroys the root of the hair, or what we call the bulb, and that's how the hair reduction happens. It is done in multiple sittings. Every 5 or 6 weeks you got to come back and get a sitting done. Typically 8 to 9 sittings should do you. Laser hair removal is not a permanent solution. It will reduce the hair by about 90-95%, and then you will come back maybe once a year, once in a year and a half for maintenance. As far as pain goes, not really. It's not painful. It's just during the procedure you may feel a little prickly kind of sensation, but otherwise there is no pain associated with laser hair removal. We see patients who come with some burn injuries from laser hair removal. You need to be very careful about choosing the place you go to for laser hair removal, because there are laser machines and there are laser machines. And in a hospital like ours, at Apollo Hospital, we are using the very top end machines which are USFDA-approved. But the results last forever. I mean, as long as you keep coming back every year and a half for maintenance, the laser hair removal does not damage your skin at all. Well, it can cost from 32,000 rupees, sittings for a package, to 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs for package for the entire body. So there are various packages, but usually the packages people choose for the face and chin are all in the range of about 30, 35, 40,000 max. And this is for the entire 8 sittings over a period of, say, 10 months. Well, there is no post-treatment care tips. I mean, there's nothing at all. The only thing we tell people not to do is, once we start the laser hair process, we tell them that they should not wax. Because if they wax the hair in between, then they'll pull out the hair roots, and then the laser will not work. That's all. If you can afford it, there's no harm. I mean, it's far better and far superior a procedure to waxing. Waxing causes repeated trauma to the skin, and that's something which is not good. The only side effects we see are sometimes, initially after the procedure for a few hours you see a little bit of redness and a few little red bumps, where the hair has been burned. But otherwise, no, there's nothing at all. The laser, the beam is absorbed by the pigment of the hair. So if the hair is blonde or white or light color, it will not work. It will work only in black hair. Typically, you will need between 8 to 10 sessions. And these are staggered sessions over a period of every 4 to 6 weeks. Well, choose your center where you get your laser hair removal, carefully. It's better to go to a larger clinic where there are standard, machines, rather than go to very small clinics where there are these cheap machines, and those are the patients who run into trouble and they get burned sometimes.